Hello traders and welcome to the Trading Fanatic channel. It's Iliya here and I'm so glad to see you on my YouTube channel. So today it's 2nd of March, 10 a.m. GMT +1. I just took a trade on Euro JPY. Although it's Monday, I decided to quickly enter because I saw the opportunity. It was actually a follow-up from the weekly outlook and setup. So if you haven't checked it yet, make sure to do so because all the setups looking like they're going to play out. So let me just quick illustrate to you what I'm looking for right now. So I have a few daily key areas right here. As you can see from the daily 121 and 120, those are the key areas that I'm monitoring on my charts. And as you can see, we had a lower low back down into 118.5, which is a massive key area in this market. The market gapped down and provided us with a massive bullish engulf. Then another candle that's wicked this. So I was looking at this area right here for a potential lower high. I dragged the Fibonacci and I saw, okay, 61.8%. So I was looking when the price was very bullish right here. So I said, okay, let's wait for a little bit more confirmation because right here we have a potential lower high structure. And how I took my trade actually, let me just show you into my day trading setup right here. As you can see, the markets pushed us straight into the highs right here where we had all the stop losses of the people from the previous week, which is this area right here. And as you can see, massive wick, second wick, third wick, and we had plenty of options for entries. I just took one and right now I can see that the momentum is kicking in. We're breaking below the structural area. Potentially we'll come back for a little retest and then I will be looking for downside. So the downside on this one is potentially huge because we can get down to the lows right here, maybe to create a new lower low. And if I extend the R&R2, we can see that is almost 1 to 7. Which is brilliant, but I will potentially be holding this for a little bit less, maybe to the lows right here because I want to close my trades at the end of the day. So this is a little bit of a catch up, how I enter this trade. So I will try to monitor it to give you live updates and then I will be uploading the whole video. So I hope you will enjoy this kind of stuff. So let's see how this trade plays out. Right now I can see that the 4-hourly candle, if it closes below 120, this key area right here, then there are going to be some potential shorts coming after as well. So let's see how the bears continue to push the price. Are we going to have a little bit of a lower high for a second entry right here? And then we can potentially start to pump to the downside. Let's see, and I will keep you updated. Tuning back in, guys, after 4 hours, I believe, since I last had a look at the charts. So the 4-hourly candle closed, and as you can see, we hit first TP, which was at the lows right here, as you can see with the line. This is a massive 3.5 R. So I took most of my positions, and right now I am kind of looking to scale in, but kind of I know it's Monday, so I will not be taking any trades, and I will leave this 4-hourly setup to develop. Potentially we can have some downside. So let's see what will happen. As you can see, even on the micro scale, I have this head and shoulders potential. So let's see, we still have around, what is it, 12:30. So we still have around 2 or something hours until New York opens. So let's see how it opens and then we can start looking for scaling in. Price may push us straight into the highs right here, maybe to grab some more orders, maybe to the upside, or may reverse on us. So that is why always, guys, make sure to secure the back, take your profits, take partials or take the majority of your position as I do, call it a day and just leave the trade to develop, because as you can see from the higher time frames, we expect this to go down. If you if you remember, you just watched it, but I said if the 4-hourly closure closes below 120, the daily key level, then I think this is going down. So I should trust my analysis right now and I should allow it to push to the downside. So that's for now, a very quick tune in. I can jump in the evening and see how the trade develops, or I may just put the recording on, and I hope you guys will appreciate this. And let me know if you like me doing those videos, because I don't have much time to sit like this on the charts and examine and explain what I see. But if you like this, let me know down in the comments, and if you do, then I will know that you like this kind of content and I will continue doing it. So let's see how this trade develops. Let's hope it just plummets to the downside another 300 pips and yeah, so that's for now. I will tune in a little bit later. Follow up from a while ago, I was just tapped out at break even. You can see absolutely to perfection actually tapped my entry, and yeah, right now it reverses. So maybe the market makers knew where all the people entered right here, so they tried to manipulate the price into this region to grab like all the break evens, or yeah, maybe just they push the price higher to get more orders, to push the to enter more sales, and then to push the price down. So I'm out of the trades. I took my profits and the small position close right here. So I'm pretty happy. The day is ending, but this is actually massive right now. What is happening? Quite a lot of manipulation, and you can see this could be news as well. I don't have my news channel right now. But overall, it was a pretty nice trade. For Monday, we cannot expect too much volatility. That is why I was even considering an entry right here. But I said, okay, it's Monday, and my other confluences weren't aligning that well. So I said, okay, let's sit on my hands. And yeah, the price just pushed me higher. And I'm happy that I didn't enter. So overall, let's see right now. We have, I believe, we have 15 minutes. Before this 4-hourly candle closes. So if it closes like this, you can see right now how the 15-minute closed. This is massive. This is a massive rejection from exactly from that level right here. So right now the market may come to fill that wick again, and then maybe bounce to the downside to that longer term target. So let's see. We have 15 minutes till New York open as well, and the 4-hourly closure. So I will keep you updated about it as well, to see, just out of curiosity, if this is going to hit the biggest TP down here. We can see that it started to push to the downside, but let's not get emotional. We're out of the market right now. Let's call it a day, and let's see what do we have. Alright guys, so final tuning in to see what happened on Euro Yen. So as we can see right here, after this wick was thrown here into the highs, I said that we might get a little fill of the wick and then a continuation to the downside. So we got exactly this. As you can see from the arrows, we had a pullback, rejection, then a bearish engulf, and this looked like a pretty nice short opportunity. But as I told you, Monday usually changes or picks up a direction, and as you can see, we just had a little pullback and a continuation to the upside. So I'm pretty happy that I did not scale in on this trade, but I won the trade for the day, so I call it a day. That's my rule, and I would advise you to stick to it. So the trade 3.5 R, I will be talking with R's, because if I risk 2%, this is actually 7% profit. If I risk 1, it is just 3.5. So on this occasion, I made 3.5 because I'm risking 1% on Monday especially. And yeah, I will not speak about monetary value because I don't want you guys to be focusing on the money. I want you to be focusing on the percentage and R&R, because the R&R is going to determine if you're profitable in this game. It doesn't matter if you make like 4,000 on this trade, but on the next one you lose 6,000. If you have an R&R of above 1 to 2, and I'm sure you know this, you will be profitable in this game. So depending on the risk you are using, so this will be either 7% or 3.5, or even if you risk 3%, it will be above 10%, which is massive. So that's for this trade, guys. We can see massive continuation. If I just have a quick look on EU, we can see that I have some notes right here. So I was looking for shorts on this one, judging by the daily, because we had this massive push, but you can see how the week starts, like bullish. We are having all the bulls into this market. But I was looking at this level right here at 1.11, and I said, all right, we might test this one, or I wanted to see price drop to 1.10. So the market opened here. It just gave us a little pullback and just massive push to the upside. No opportunity for longs. But overall, what I saw right here is that Euro USD was failing. We had the push to the downside on Euro Yen, but Euro USD just continued to push up. And this immediately told me, all right, we're having a strong Euro, so I will not be selling Euro Yen. And this is another tip from you guys. Always make sure to check correlation where you're about to enter. Euro Yen and Euro USD are the currencies that really do correlate between each other. Euro Yen is more associated with USD JPY, so it moves according to the yen. But overall, it is a euro pair, so a euro pair will move according to euro USD. Continuation, what I will be looking for tomorrow, possibly a pullback back into 120. 120 pullback or in and around those areas. I will do my analysis tomorrow as well, and then we can potentially target 121 and the highs of this one, potentially creating new daily highs and maybe reversing, because this turns right now into a double bottom. If we close above 121, we will have a retest and the price action will throw us into 122.8. Pretty simple analysis, pretty straightforward, guys, and I really hope you will appreciate this video. Let me know if you like it, if I should do more of those. I really enjoyed doing it actually, because it's a very nice way of documenting my trades as well and helping you in the same time. So it's a win-win situation. So that's from me, guys. Thank you for staying up until now. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and I will for sure be posting more of that. Thank you.